Hey guys, it's Kayla and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Today I thought I would show you some things I bought for my classroom this weekend. I didn't really think this through and I organized everything before I filmed this video, so we're just going to unorganize everything and it's going to be just fine. And I'm going to try and remember where I bought each thing. It's just a few small things, things I needed for specific projects, some storage stuff, some things that have been on my wish list for a while, and some stuff I got some good bargains on. So I'm just going to walk you through everything. So first things first, we have some little Sterilite shoe bins. I use these for storing supplies. I usually get ones that have blue lids, but they were all sold out of them at Target, and I didn't want to go to Walmart and then have so many blue ones. So I was like, I'll just get 5 white ones. They were 99 cents each. I currently use them for math bins, to store glue sticks, note cards, all sorts of things. One of these is for markers, I know for sure. I don't know what else yet. But those are there. At Hobby Lobby, I got some black and white border for my math wall. Currently, it has green border, but it doesn't quite match the green that I'm going to be using for my new posters. So I needed something else. I got into Target, I got 3 binders. I was gonna get 2 1.5 inch and 2 1 inch. I need to organize some files. I'm getting really sick of file folders. I really just want binders. So I went to buy some more binders, but at Target right now, the up and up 1.5 inch binders are like 20 cents cheaper than the 1 inch binders. So I wasn't going to spend more money for a smaller binder, so I just bought 3 1.5 inch. I got a red, a pink, and an orange. So I'm going to use those to organize some files. I love these binders. They're what I use for directing and everything I ever need binders for. So the next thing I got were these... what are they called? They're scrap bagging cases, but there's a specific name for them. But you get them at Michael's. They are on sale right now for $6, and they're usually $10. So I bought 3 in pink. They came in clear and green as well, but of course I got pink. And so I've already sorted stuff into these, so I'm going to kind of open them and walk you through it. Yeah, but these I'm going to use for individual projects to kind of store things as I get supplies for projects that are further down the road. So in the top one, I have, oh, this one is broken. That's why. Okay, let's fix that. So I have some just paint sponges. Actually, I'm using these from Mod Podge. We're making magazine bowls in like 2 weeks, and I needed at least one for every kid. So this is a 50 pack. Only 9 of my students are doing that project, but I figured since it's my first year teaching, it's better to buy in bulk because there's, a very strong chance I will use it in a future year, and it's only $6 at Hobby Lobby, so I bought it. I wasn't planning on buying more Inkjoy pens because I have plenty right now, but they were on sale for like $12 off, and when they go on sale at Staples, I always buy some because I run out of them so fast because I use them all the time. So I bought a new pack. I think this was like $16, and usually it's like 28 or something crazy. So bought myself some pens. Next thing in there is just 2 fidget spinners. My school had a holiday craft bazaar today, and an orthodontist's office donated some stuff for the bags. So I got 2 of those, one for my bag, one for my mom's. I want to do some fidget spinner math things. So I got these guys, but they're kind of loose, so I feel like they're never going to stop, which could be interesting. Next, I needed some tape, again, for those magazine bowls. Each kid's going to need a roll of tape, and I think I have like 5 rolls of tape at school, but I don't know how much tape is actually on them, so I just bought 12 new rolls that can be used for students, because I have a little bin. One of my Sterilite bins I call it my sticky stuff bin because it has glue sticks, and tape in it. Next, I just have these laminated. I printed off some posters at Staples. These are in my TPT store. It's the 6th grade math posters #1. And I just laminated these, so I have a fraction to decimal conversion. I forgot to put the line over 1/3 and 2/3, so I just drew that in with Sharpie when I got home because I realized I never added that before I printed. But I'm going to fix that in the listing on TPT so that they are actually the way they're supposed to be. So it has that one, a formula for areas of polygons, just triangles, rectangles, and parallelograms. Some word clues. I really like these because some of my students really struggle with word problems, and so this way they kind of see different words that signify the different operations. And then they also really struggle with operations with decimals, so I made this one that kind of walks through all the different operations and shows all the steps you're supposed to do. So I have those. So those are going in my classroom. I'm redoing my math wall this week. So I wanted to make sure I had stuff for that. All right, in the next bin, I just have 3 packs of number 2 pencils. These ones are unsharpened. I usually buy the sharpened ones, but they just get too expensive. So I bought the unsharpened ones, and I'll sharpen those. And then I bought this set of markers. This is all from Target, Up and Up brand. This is my second time buying these. It's $4, and there are 30 markers in here, and they work pretty well. They're just like the Crayola thin ones. So I bought another pack of those because I'm going to be making art supplies are going to be more used as we get closer to the holidays, so I needed to make sure I had extra markers. My students are all supposed to have markers, but you know how that goes. So I got all that, and that's what's in the second bin. All right, and in the last bin, I just bought a book for them. It was only like $7, and I figured it's not one I'm going to be able to get like half-price books, so I bought the Maddie Ziegler book because they, 6th graders, who knows what they think is cool. I needed a big old thing of Mod Podge. I think I have one in my classroom, but for the magazine bowls, you need a lot of Mod Podge, so I wanted to make sure I had a backup. And I used a 40% off coupon with this at Hobby Lobby, so it was only like $5, which was great. Then I got just some of the bigger popsicle sticks, again, for the magazine bowls. They have to use these to measure their strips and to even them out so they're flat for when they roll them. I got some stamp pads. These were from the like bargain section, everyday bargains at Michael's. So I just got a like turquoise, a hot pink, and a blue. I use blue and turquoise to distinguish my 2 blocks, or dark blue and light blue, depending on what the thing is. So I made sure I had a stamp pad for each. I don't know what I would use stamps for that have to do with each of those blocks, but they were $2, and I was like, you know what? I need a new ink pad. Then for a project we're doing that we started on Friday, but we're finishing up tomorrow and Tuesday, I needed some more construction paper. I had these 2 colors, but only in 11 by 17. So I needed some 8.5 by 11s because I could have cut my, or these are 9 by 12s. I could have cut the longer ones, but I just would rather have the long ones for other things. So I just went out and bought packs red and blue for that project. And then I have some dividers for the new binders. So this mess in front of me is all of the stuff I bought this weekend for my classroom. I'm buying more and more stuff every day. As you guys know from yesterday's video, I officially accepted the job that I was long-term subbing in. So now I'm just trying to make the classroom a little more me now that it's officially mine and will be for the rest of the year. So that is it. That is Vlogmas Day 2. If you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. I want to try and do more vlog style hauls rather than sit down hauls during Vlogmas, just A, for time's sake, and B, so it feels more like Vlogmas and not Kayla films sit down videos every day like last year was. Last year felt a little too sit down video for me. So in addition to the weekly and weekend vlogs, I also kind of want to do more videos more like this that are kind of a vlog, but also kind of how a sit down video would be. So if you liked this video, give it a big old thumbs up, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!